This is the Huron Men's Moisturizing Body Wash. This is like an upgrade to the typical, my husband's anyway, body wash. It's clean, it's modern, and it's ridiculously smells beautiful right out of the box. It is original citrus and eucalyptus. Perfect mix of crisp and fresh, minty, bright, and actually lasts long. My husband walks out of the shower smelling like he's ready to solve every problem in the house. The hydration is real. Coconut oil, vitamin E, witch hazel. Their ingredients in here are clean. The skin comes out soft and not tight, not irritated. Great for sensitive skin. And hey, even better, like my son, he doesn't moisturize. So in this bottle, it helps him with the skin coming out softer because the boy refuses to put on lotion, but it lathers like a dream, thick, rich foam, rinses clean, fights odor, and really keeps him smelling fresh all day long. After working out, after sweating. I love this, and I'm going to keep this on hand for my husband and my son without hesitation. This Huron has officially become the body wash for my husband and my son. Smells amazing, makes their skin look healthier, and keeps them fresh all day long. If you are shopping for the men in your life and want them smelling good enough to hug without flinching, this is the body wash for you. This is a sponsored ad sharing my honest take on it.